Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this flash effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to stock materials, go to background, and select this white overlay, and I'm just going to place it where I want the flash to start. Make it a bit bigger, and I'm just going to make the duration small as well. And let's hit the blend mode and select overlay. And you're just going to select the video, go to animation here, and you're just going to select fade in, and you're going to place it throughout the whole duration of the video. And that's pretty much it. You can add in like a bunch of flashes if you'd like to. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.